Hello dear students, how are you? I am Prabal Bhumik, your English teacher, welcoming you to my today's class. Today I am going to conduct a class on English second paper for the students of class 6 to class 10. So it is going to be a very important class for you, and I like to ask all the students of Khuyasara High School to follow my class attentively. First thing first, drug addiction. My dear students, you know drug addiction is a serious problem for our society nowadays. It is a bad habit. Drugs are very much harmful for our body and mind. Drug addiction can destroy a person physically, mentally, and financially as well. So we need to keep ourselves away from such kind of bad habit, and we should also play a vital role to raise awareness against drug addiction in our society. Now come to our today's lesson. Dear students, look at the sentences below. There are three sentences. Number one is I go to school. Number two is I do the work. And the third sentence is I eat rice. Now try to answer the following questions. There are two questions for you. Which parts of speech are the underlined words? And the second one is, can you mention some other forms of these words? I think you thought about these three sentences and you got the answer. Okay, match your answer with me. The answer of the first one is verb. The underlined words, that is go, do and eat, these three are verb. And the answer of second one is go. The other forms of go can be went, gone, goes, going. The other form of do can be did, done, does, doing. And the other form of eat can be ate, eaten, eats, eating, etc. A verb can be used in different forms in different sentences depending on the action of the sentence. So, we need to know the right form of the verbs to use them properly in sentences. So, what we see? We see that the verb has different forms and we have to use the forms correctly in a sentence. If we cannot use the right form of verbs in a sentence cannot make a real sense. Dear students, our today's topic is right form of verbs. Here we will learn some rules to make the right form of the verbs. Rule 1. Look at the three sentences here. First one is the boy play football. Play is underlined and it is a verb. The second one is the sun rise in the east. Rise is a verb and it is underlined. And the third one is he brush his teeth daily. Brush is a verb and it is also underlined. So we can say that the three verbs are underlined here, so they are not in the right form. We have to find out the right form of these three verbs. In the first sentence, the right form of the verb play should be plays. And the second sentence, the right form of the verb rise should be rises. And in the third sentence, the right form of the verb brush should be brushes. But why? Here I am giving you the explanation. The explanation is, if the sentence belongs to present indefinite tense and the subject is third person and singular number, as or es have to be added with verb. Notice, my dear students, these three sentences, that is the boy plays football, the sun rises in the east, he brushes his teeth daily. These three sentences are in present indefinite tense and if we look at the subject, that is the boy, the son and he, these three subjects are in the third person and singular number. For this why as or es have to be added with the verb, and the right form of verb here are plays, rises and brushes. Here is a tip for you, that is generally present indefinite tense is used to express a presentation, universal truth and habitual fact. Okay, come to the second rule. Here are also three examples at the beginning. First one is the boy does not plays football. And the second one is do you liking green tree? And the third one is did he brush his teeth yesterday? Okay. Now here also plays, liking and brushed. These three are verbs and they are in different forms, but they are underlined. It means they are not in the correct form, that is they are not in the right form. We have to find out the right form. Okay, what may be the right form of the verb plays at the first sentence? The boy does not plays football. Yes, the answer is play. The boy does not play football. And in the second sentence, do you liking green tea? The right form of verb liking is like here. That is, do you like green tree? And in the third sentence, did he brush his teeth yesterday? Okay, the right form of brushed here should be brush. So we see that the right form of verbs here are play, like and brush. But why? Explanation. The explanation is if a sentence contains do, does or did, the verb of that sentence is of present form. Interesting. If a sentence contains do, here in the second sentence you notice here is do, does in the first sentence does, and did in the third sentence did. If a sentence contains do, does or did, the verb of the sentence is of present form. For this why in the first sentence the right form is play, and in the second sentence the right form is like, and in the third sentence the right form is brush. Understood? Okay. Now come to the third rule. Two sentences here as example. The first one is he sing a song now. Sing is a verb and it is underlined. That is, it is not in the right form. And in the second sentence, they watch TV at this moment. Watch is the verb and it is underlined. It means it is not in the right form. So what may be the right form of the verb sing in the first sentence? He sing a song now. Okay, let me show the answer. He is singing a song now. He is singing a song now. Is singing. It is the right form here. And in the second sentence, they watch TV. The right form is they are watching TV at this moment. What is the reason here? The reason is if a sentence contains now at this moment. Now at this moment. In the first sentence, we notice now. And in the second sentence, we notice at this moment. So, if a sentence contains now at this moment, generally the verb of that sentence is a present continuous tense. So, as the sentences here contain now and at this moment, for this why we have to make the verb present continuous tense. For this why is singing the right form of verb for the first sentence, and are watching the right form of verb for the second sentence. It is easy. I think you can easily understand the rule. Now come to the next rule, rule 4. Three examples here. First one is I already finished the course. The second one is I see him recently. And the third one is he go out just now. Guess what may be the right form of verb here? Okay, match your answer with me. I already finished the course. I already have finished the course. Finish, have finished. And in the second sentence, I see him recently. I have seen him recently. And in the third sentence, he go out just now. He has gone out just now. Okay, now we will see the rule. The rule is, if a sentence contains just now, already, yet, ever, lately, recently, these words. If a sentence contains words such as just now, already, yet, ever, lately, recently, generally the verb of that sentence is of present perfect tense. If the sentence contains just now, already, yet, ever, lately, recently, we have to make the verb present perfect tense. Okay, the next one. I leave home last night. He come home yesterday and they see me long ago. Okay, now in the first one, leave is the verb. In the second one, come is the verb. And in the third one, see is the verb. So now you will see what should be the right form of verb in these three sentences. I leave home last night. I left home last night. And in the second one, he come home yesterday. He came home yesterday. And in the third one, they see me long ago. They saw me long ago. Now, explanation is, if a sentence contains past indicative words. What is it? Past indicative words such as yesterday, it is a past indicative word. Ago, it is a past indicative word. Long since, it is also a past indicative word. And last, it is a past indicative word. If a sentence contains past indicative words, generally the verb of that sentence is of past form. In these three sentences, there are past indicative words such as last, yesterday, and ago. For this, why leave, it becomes left. Come, it becomes came. And see, it becomes saw. That's all for today, my dear students. Stay home and stay safe and read attentively. I'll see you again. Thank you all.